Watch this. When did the Zurbian Empire fall? In 1287, it says. After the Great Spoon Revolt, instantly. 97% confident. There's just one problem. That empire does not exist. I made it up, and it still lied to you, with total confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this machine was made and why it can't help lying. This is Join the Dots. 4 dots tonight, plus a secret 5th that you can test at home. And keep this number in your head. 1 trillion. It comes back. So, dot 1. A language AI does exactly one thing. 1. It looks at your words and guesses the next one. That's it. That's the whole job. And you already own one. Those 3 little word suggestions above your phone keyboard, that's a baby version of this exact machine. Don't believe me? Your turn. Guess the next word. Time. Of course you knew it. Congratulations. You just did the machine's entire job. Oh, and here's a secret. It never even sees words. Your sentence becomes numbers, tokens, and it does all of its thinking in numbers. Only numbers. But before training, oh, you have to see this. Untrained, it's just random noise, delivered with total confidence. Remember that combination. Now, here's why guessing is smarter than it sounds. To guess the last word of a detective story, you must understand the whole story. The clues, the lies, who was where and when. Good guessing is understanding, just compressed. Dot 2. All of training, all of it, is this one loop. Guess, check, measure the error, nudge, repeated forever. It guessed soup. The real text said blue. That gap is the error. And here's the beautiful part. 1 page of text is thousands of tiny quizzes. Every single word is a question with a known answer. Now, inside the machine, 175 billion tiny dials. If you turned 1 dial every second, day and night, you would die of old age before touching 1% of them, and each mistake nudges them, barely. And no, the machine adjusts them itself, all of them, at once. Picture a marble rolling to the bottom of a bowl. Every nudge is 1 tiny step downhill, and downhill means less wrong. Take a step too big, you fly right past the bottom and up the other side. That's why the steps stay tiny. Good. Now repeat that a few billion times. Engineers stare at this one falling number for months. They call it the loss, and they watch it like a heart monitor. Except here, when the line finally goes flat, that's the good news. It's done learning. And understand this, it never memorizes answers. It reshapes itself until right answers simply fall out of it. Dot 3. Remember your trillion. That's how many words it reads. If you finished 1 book every single day, you would need 30,000 years to read what it reads in 3 months. Yes, probably including yours. It read the best of humanity, and the rest of us. Yes, even the Flat Earth forums, which is exactly why cleaning the data is half the job. And why the special chips. A CPU is 1 genius. A GPU is 10,000 students doing easy sums all at once. Training is billions of simple sums. That's the GPU's home turf. That's why they cost gold. So the real recipe, thousands of GPUs running for months, day and night, no weekends, no coffee. The power bill? Enough electricity for your whole neighborhood just to teach one machine to talk. Your laptop, you ask? Sure. See you in about 2,000 years. And now, the eerie part. Nobody taught it to code, or play chess, or speak French. At this scale, skills simply appear, and scientists still argue about why. That's not marketing. That's the actual frontier. 4. Why this matters to you. You'll use one of these this week. So it's time to solve the mystery from the start. It's one dangerous habit. Remember the empire that never existed? 1287 it said. Still fake. Still 97% confident. That's the habit. It doesn't know that it doesn't know. It never looks anything up. It always guesses, because it would rather invent an answer than stay silent. So hallucination isn't a glitch. It's the machine being exactly what it is, a guessing machine. Treat it like a brilliant friend who never cites his sources. Facts and dates? Double check. Ideas and drafts? Pure gold. That's the whole user manual. Oh, one last step in training. Humans rate its answers. Thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down. And that's why it's so polite. It was trained to please you. Trained to please, not trained to be right. Write that one down. So, let's join the dots. It didn't memorize the internet, it compressed it into dials, and now you'll see it everywhere. Autocomplete, spam filters, subtitles. This caption, guess miss, nudge, repeat 1 trillion times. That's ChatGPT.
The secret 5th dot, your homework. Step 1, ask any AI one creative question. Step 2, ask the exact same thing again. The answers won't match, because it rolls weighted dice for every single word it says. You just caught it guessing, live. So try it, and tell me in the comments what changed. Join the dots. One big idea made simple every week. If this one clicked for you, subscribe. It helps more than you know.